Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the navigation dock because it replaces gestures with a single floating control. This is faster for one-handed use. First, make sure your Huawei supports the feature and that battery is above 20% so settings changes apply reliably. Once done, go to Settings, then System and Updates, and tap System Navigation. Select Navigation Dock and toggle it on. You'll see a small floating dot appear. This prepares the interface, so you can position and customize the dock in the next. Now you customize how the dock behaves so it fits your workflow and reduces accidental taps. Drag the floating dot to the left or right edge. It snaps but stays movable so you can refine placement. Next, open the dock settings to change size, transparency, and responsiveness, which helps with visibility and reach. Make sure to set long press and double tap actions. Assign back, home, recent apps, or split screen, so each gesture performs what you need quickly and predictably. Finally, practice using the dock until the timing and gestures feel natural. This reduces mistakes in daily use. When you tap, short press returns home, swipe to invoke recent apps, and long press can trigger split screen if assigned. Learn the rhythm. If the dock becomes unresponsive, restart the phone or toggle navigation dock off and on in settings. Make sure no accessibility services block touches. If problems persist, reset navigation settings to defaults or check for MUI updates to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.